Hey friends, if you wish to pause Windows 11 updates on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane we have an option to pause updates. We can select the duration to pause it, like the default one is 1 week. I'll click on this and it will pause the updates for 1 week and will mention the date here. To resume it, I can simply click on resume updates, but to extend it for one more week, I can click on this and it extends for one more week, and I can extend it for another week. Now I'll resume the updates, but I'll show you if you wish to pause it for more than 1 week in the initial go, then you can also check the options for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 weeks. I'll choose the one for 4 weeks. And again, to resume it, I'll click on resume updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.